are producing very high quality stone fruit in South Africa, and therefore we also seek export destinations. And because China is such a good trading partner with South Africa, we are extremely excited and grateful that we could manage to sign the protocol, as this will create jobs in South Africa.
Having signed this contract with China means that you needs to be there with consistent supply. You cannot, 1 year have and the other year don't have. So you have to be consistent in terms of quality and quantity. And I think the industry is ready for that, especially what happens with the export possibilities to the United States.
Jelajahi cara baru mendapatkan informasi. Download Metro TV Extend sekarang.